The Singapore Sling, a tiki masterpiece from Raffles Hotel and Raoul Duke's house drink on the Vegas Strip. This one takes 7 players: gin, cherry heering, pineapple juice, lime juice, grenadine, and a 1/4 ounce each of Cointreau and Benedictine, plus a dash of bitters. Start with 1 ounce of gin. A classic London dry like Tanqueray or Beefeater works beautifully. You want that juniper bite to cut through all the sweet. Add a 1/2 ounce of cherry herring. It's the Danish cherry liqueur that gives the Sling its soul. Deep, rich, slightly bitter. Then 4 full ounces of pineapple juice. Fresh pressed is ideal. It's what gives the drink its signature foamy head. Shake the gin, cherry heering, juices and syrups with a 1/4 ounce each of Cointreau and Benedictine, plus a dash of bitters. Strain into a tall glass over ice and top with a splash of club soda. We can't stop here, this is Bat Country. Cheers to Raoul Duke. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.